Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Balik din sa GMA Regional TV Live karong buntaga, maki-music jam kita kauban ang Kapuso singer nga inanay ng mikulit sa ampangan sa music industry. And we have with us this morning Kapuso singer Vilmark. Hello Vilmark, good morning and welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live. Pakigreet ang ating mga kapuso.
Maayong buntag at paupay aga sa ating mga kapuso na nanonood ngayon sa GMA Regional TV Live. Grabe nakakamiss. Thank you so much again for having me this morning po.
Vilmark, first month of the year at may bago ka ng kanta na isinulat para sa ating mga kapuso. Saan ka kumukuha ng inspirasyon at hugot dito?
Actually, lahat po ng songs ko so far ay based sa aking personal experiences. So, kagaya nung Paraya at saka nung Lisan, this new single ay galing sa puso. Siyempre, galing din po siya experiences ko. And actually, this is a sequel nung kanta ko na Lisan na previously na na-release with GMA Music.
Very unique ang title ng new single mo. Can you share to us? How did you come up with this title?
So, this song is entitled INOWY. So, ano siya, letter siya, INOWY. Actually, meron siyang meaning talaga, I'm not okay without you.
Aside from that, ano ang naging reaksyon mo nang gumawa ka ng sariling version ni Jennylyn Mercado sa kantang Lisan?
To be honest, Miss Mai, until now, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala. I remember nung sinabi sa akin ng GMA Music Family, actually hindi nila sinabi to via phone or via online. Talagang pinapunta nila ako sa office just to bring this good news and to share this good news sa akin.
Can you please sing to us your most favorite line of the song?
Sabi dun sa chorus, if this is love, I don't want this feeling anymore. I'm not okay without you. I'm now on my own, picking up the pieces of my heart. I'm not okay without you.
Wow, we're excited to listen and download your newest song. Kaya kindly invite all our kapuso.
Sa ating mga kapuso, just today lamang po, official na pong na-release ang aking bagong single na INOWY. It's available on all digital music platform and you can stream this on iTunes, Spotify, and Apple Music, YouTube Music, and other digital stores worldwide. So, sana po supportahan niyo kung paano niyo ako sinuportahan sa aking dalawang single na Paraya and Lisan. And of course, I just want to thank everyone who shared this morning with us, sa ating mga kapuso. Maraming salamat po for sharing your time with me.
Thank you so much, Vilmark. And mga kapuso, mubalik pa ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.